I therefore propose to raise taxes for betting, lottery, gaming, and competition from the current rates of 7.5%, 5%, 12%, 15% respectively, to a uniform tax of 50%.
Yesterday's proposal by National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich to increase betting, lotteries, gaming and competition taxes from as low as 5% to a flat rate of 50% continues to elicit reactions. A section of financial analysts say the increase is indiscriminatory since the 50% rate is way above what is charged in other sectors' pay.
Gaming sector, maybe I call that collectively, was heavily impacted by yesterday's proposed changes. So it means that the aggregate amount of tax that that sector is going to bear relative to the other taxes is disproportionate.
They want the government to draft a comprehensive and clear gaming tax plan since companies in the sector may end up paying more than 70% in taxes, which may scare current and potential investors.
The impact of all this is that relatively the Kenyan companies will end up paying, by my estimate, almost 70% in terms of taxes for anything that they collect. So they collect 100, 70 will go to the tax authorities, they'll only retain 30. The other countries, they'll retain a bit more.
They propose that any tax betting, lotteries, gaming and competition be done gradually to reduce the possibility of shocks.
The gambler is not being impacted. He'll continue gambling. So the proposed impact that possibly the CS was trying to achieve might not necessarily happen because the impact is not on the individual who's gambling, it's on the companies.
They welcomed measures aimed at reducing the cost of essential commodities.
Maybe until today, it's much more cheaper to have a cake as a breakfast as opposed to having it with ugali.
The government is now realizing that when it comes to the question of VAT, exemption is not a good idea, and they're seeing it. Therefore, they're calling zero rating bread and maize meal. What that means is the manufacturers, the distributors can now get relief from any VAT they've paid.
To them, the budget is ambitious but was manageable since the government is likely to collect more taxes in the future due to the projected economic growth. They called for new measures to fight corruption and reduce wastage of public funds in order to reduce government expenditure.